Good morning, students. This is my second video, which will help you how to transfer your file from smartphone to laptop or desktop. So first of all, you must have to enter in your email account. So I am going to use Gmail account. First of all, I will enter in my account. Suppose this is my email account. This is my password. Now, after this, you will go to your WhatsApp, and where your link has come, you have to click on that link. Now, you can see, my dear, which the account I have entered. Same account it is showing, same the email account it is showing. Now you can start filling your information. Email ID, same you will use, which is registered in office. Now, what is name? Suppose Ankit. Section F, roll number suppose 3. After that, you will click on next. Now you will be getting the questions. Now you have to write the answer, but please keep it in mind, as your link will be open at 8:55. So 5 minutes you will utilize for writing all the questions in a separate sheet. It should be written by your hand, my dear. All 6 or 7 or 9 questions, whatever you have in your form, that all questions you must write it, so that at 9 o'clock you can join the online class, and under the surveillance of Zoom camera, you can give the examination. Now, as the form is open, which has the questions, subjective questions, first one I'm going to attend. HTML is a markup. So I will write markup here. B, dash tag is used to display the text in a new line. It will be BR first. Now, question number second, third, fourth. I'm not going to explain, because in the previous video, I have explained how to, yes, take the photo by the help of smartphone. So as in the smartphone already that 3 files are there. Now I'm going to explain how to transfer your file which is in your smartphone to laptop. So first of all, I will use the data cable. You can see it is connected. Now after that, now I'm going to connect it to my smartphone. As I connect, I will be getting the 3 options. First one, charge only. Second one, transfer files. And last one, transfer photos. I will click on transfer file. Now, as I will click on this, yes, you will be getting a window. You click on internal shared storage. Go to DCIM folder. Click on camera. Now you will see that 3 files. Yes, these are the 3 files you can see. First, second, and third. These 3 files you will copy it. Control C, and now you will keep it on the desktop. On the desktop. That 3 files, I will keep it on the desktop. Now you can see these 3 files have come. Now you have to check it which one is first one. Yes, this is the second one. This one is the third one. and this one is the first one. So I will keep this one here. Now I'm going to upload it. First one, add file. Click on select files from your device. Go to the desktop. And now you check it here. Just to check it. First file is 43. The last number 43, 01 and 32. So 43, first of all, I will upload. See, this is the 43. You will click on open. Now, please keep it in mind. If suppose your second answer is containing 2 seats, this first seat is there, and if you want to have the second seat uploaded, click on add more files and select that location of that file and click on open. But as I have to not do, so I will not go to, yes, use the second file in the same question. I will click on upload. Now, second is uploaded. Now the third one. Third one is containing the last number 01. This is my second one. Open. Second sheet already I have uploaded. It is going, it is in process. Now, the last one, click on add file. Again, click on select files from your device. And the last one is 32. You must have to remember the file. Which file will is of the second answer, third answer, fourth answer, fifth answer, sixth answer. And click on upload. Now, what will happen? After doing this once more, you have to check it. Listen, my dear, this I am doing by the help of laptop. As my files, that 3 files are in this one, but I have transferred these 3 files to my laptop and upload it. And then finally click on submit button. Now you will be getting a message. Yes, this message. If this message will not come, it means that your form has not been submitted. You see the message, thank you. Your response has been recorded in the database of NEHS. That means we have got your seat. We have got your form. Yes, I hope you have understood these all instructions which I given to you. Now, yes. Now, thank you, my dear.